Okay, so we're going to turn the page. Now we're on page 76. Again, last lesson we did number 1. We wrote down the steps or the rules up here, and so now we're going to focus on number 2, the fractions. So it's going to be the same steps as what we're going to write out. We already have our rules on our paper, so let's just write out our steps. So first thing is my sign. So determine the sign. So let's do that right now. So I have a negative 10 and 4/5 times a negative 6 and 2/3. I have a negative times a negative. Because I have a negative times a negative, I have the same sign. So my answer is going to be positive. So I know my answer will be positive. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to ignore the signs for now. Step 2 is I'm going to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. Okay, so I'm going to take 10 and 4/5 times 6 and 2/3. So I'm going to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So I'm going to multiply denominator times the whole number to give me 50 and add 4. So 54 over 5, keep the same denominator. Denominator does not change. Then I'm going to again multiply denominator times whole number to give me 18 plus 2 is 20 over 3. Then from here, the last thing I need to do is multiply. And I'm going to multiply the yellow over the orange. I'm going to use these highlighters instead of me writing it. So you're multiplying straight across. So I don't know off the top of my head what is 54 times 20. I probably could figure it out pretty fast, but I'm going to stick it into the calculator. 54 times 20 quickly gives me 1080. Over 5 times 3 is 15. So I can leave my answer like this, totally fine. I have the correct sign. It is positive. Or I can change this into a mixed number. I can take 15 into 1080. Okay, so I'm going to ask myself, can 15 go into 1? No. 15 go into 10? No. Does 15 go into 108? Yes. How many times? 7 times 105 gives me 108 minus 105 is 3. Bring down your 0. 15 goes into 32 times. 2 times 15 is 30 with a remainder of 0. Because I have a remainder of 0, this is just my final answer. So you can leave it as a fraction, or you can simplify to just 72.